Hello guys, this is Forex and today's education is going to be on market structure. Market structure is defined as the simplest form of price movement in the market. It is a basic support and resistance levels on the chart or swings highs and swing lows. These levels which are easily identified and hold until they don't. Market structure is a trend following tool that traders read and follow based on how an asset moves, from bullish moves to bearish and in between. That's the market ranging, right? Market structure is often referred to as price action, right? We refer to this study as market structure because it is now the whole market moves. This is how the whole market moves. Understanding the trend, and then you anticipate moves, and then you can add other criteria to your trade qualifiers like volumes, pivot point, moving average, Fibonacci's, which we'll talk later, right? So next, there is in the forex market knowledge that you acquire today, there is three kind of market structure that you will learn, right? There is one particular market structure which we call the bullish trend, which the market is either moving up and down, up, down, up, down, and up, down, right? And this particular movement, some people call it an expansion to the upside and then a retracement. Some people call it an exhaustion. It's just how you present it, right? An expansion, exhaustion, expansion, exhaustion, expansion, exhaustion, right? Okay, now we can also say this is an higher high, right? In the market, when your market is making higher highs and then lows, higher highs and then higher lows, and then high and then higher lows, right? This is your low and this is your high, right? Once you see the market doing this particular movement, making new highs and going straight, right? This is what we call the bullish trend, right? And when you see the market doing this particular movement, making lower high, right, and lower low, lower high, and lower low, lower high, and lower low. This is telling you that the market is on a bearish trend. Since if you know, the market doesn't just move in a straight line. It usually moves and then it exhausts or make correctional moves. Some people call it correctional moves, some people call it exhaustion, some people call it retracement. All works that way, right? And that's what we call the bearish trend or the bears, right? And then we have the third one, which we call a ranging market, right? This market will just be moving sideways. It's not making new highs, right? And it's not making new lows. It's just ranging between a particular line. As you can see, it has not broke above this particular line here. Let me draw this so it could let it be more clear. Something of this nature. As you can see, the market has been failing to break below these particular zones, which is now making the market, some people call it consolidation, some people call it market in a sideways, or market consolidating in a particular zone without breaking it, right? So that's it. And right from here, we'll now be moving to the real forex chart. So I'll be showing you how the market actually moves. Okay guys, and now we are back into the real market chart and we are on Euro USD on the 4 hours time frame, right? And we can go, let's look the market structure from the daily time frames, right? As you can see, this particular movement here, if we zoom in a little, this is what we call the line chart in your market structure. This is line chart, right? And the popular one which you are most aware of is the candlestick chart, right? But you can't really see the structure of the market if they are in the candle futures or candlestick chart, right? It's still more clear, but with the example we want to use on this particular education for you to understand what the market is doing is for you to go down to the line chart so you could see more clearly how the market has been moving. As you can see in this particular market, the market has been making, this was a lower low, right? This was a lower high, right? And then it made a new high. For example, let's get to use something of this nature. You see here, right? These are our highs. Let's pick again, and then you see this another high. Right. So our market has been doing something of this nature. Let's make it more clearer so you could see. It's making new highs, right? As it keep moving, signaling that this particular market has been going high, right? Right? You see here. You see here. Right? Right? And then here we had the market making lower lows, right? This is our low here in the market. See here, it's been making lows, right? So this is how the market is doing. You could really see that this particular market is on a bullish trend, right? This particular market is on a bullish trend, right? Well, so we have something of this nature here, right? This particular market is on a bullish trend, and as you can see how bullish it is and how bullish it looks, right? So that's it. And that's for the bullish trend. Okay guys, and now for the bearish market structure, right? We are now back, and this is an example of a bearish market structure, right? A bearish market structure consists of a market making higher lows and lower lows, right? Higher lows and lower lows, just the reverse pattern of the other bullish trend, right? The market making something like this, making highs and lows, but going down, right? But going down. This is a reverse pattern of this, right? Market making higher highs, right? So that's it, making higher. These are the opposite direction of the other market we just finished analyzing, giving us the signal of a lower, a bearish. Okay, sorry guys, you can hear goat crying or sheep crying on the background, right? I'm in my farm and in my office. Just say, okay, let me try and make you this educational video on the market structure, right? So, and now there's the opposite direction for the lower, for the low highs, in the bearish trend, right? Something of this nature. See, same structure, but in a reverse pattern, right? This is now a bearish trend. The market making higher highs, this is an higher low, and then lower low and higher high, and then lower low, then a higher high, something of this nature. This is an higher high here, and then here, right? This is an higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and continuously. That's how the market will keep doing. Then the next example is the ranging market, right? We're going to check maybe if the market has ever come into a ranging term on this particular chart, right? Okay guys, a very good example on that same pair on Euro USD, right? As you can see, this particular movement here, you can see the market has been failing to pass this high and has been failing to pass this low. So the market has been making a ranging scenario here. Let's say we mark out this particular zone here, you could see, right? This is a ranging market here. A complete region came here, failed to break above, came down and came again, touched this particular zone and came here, still got support and went up, right? Just ranging within this market before we got this breakout of the ranging market, and then we continue down to the downtrend, right? This ranging market is just telling you that there's a lot of indecision in the market, right? The buyers have failed to push the market up and the sellers have failed to push the market down, right? And some scenario will come down. This is just a correctional move, right? A bearish fall and then a correctional ranging market, right? Before the market continue down. It was just forming an indecision because buyers came into the market. They were trying to push the market higher, but sellers are in control. That's the bears are in control, right? And then the market now shoot up and then we continued the down trend. So this is by effects, and this is the little we could bring up for you when it comes to market structure. There are other terms that we're going to discuss, like how to trade the market structure with tools, available tricks, and on my next video I'll be uploading more about how these particular structures have been calculated, the way their movement are, how it's been calculated. You see this particular push to the upside and a retracement, how it's been calculated. All tricks will be shared in the next video. Please stay tuned on the channel because we'll be uploading more educational videos for you guys.